Hi everyone, let's hoop it together with my Mighty Hoops. Today I want to do a beanie for you, so let's get started. And I have everything set up down here for us. So today I'm going to be using my 5.5 fixture in freestyle. And let me just show you, I have it on my base. This is the base right here. And this is the 5.5 fixture in freestyle. And I'm going to just set it on the base. And the first thing that I did was I just put a target sticker in the center of where I want my embroidery design. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to turn your beanie inside out, because when you turn it inside out, that is the correct spot of where your embroidery is going to be. So now we're going to put the bottom hoop in the fixture. And then the next step is to place our stabilizer in. And we have these really nice magnetic clips that hold our stabilizer in for us. And there's also this clip right here that holds the bottom hoop in for us, so it won't pull out. So something that I did, and it's in some of my other videos, is it's kind of a routed slot right here. And right when I got my fixture, I just measured halfway through and put a dot right there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide my beanie on. Let me just pull this in front of the camera just a little bit more for you guys. So I'm gonna put my beanie on, and the reason, and let me grab a ruler really quick. And the reason that I have those two dots there is it's the center of my hoop. So the first center I want to line up is this center right here. So we've got this blue line right here. So that's going to go through the center of my target sticker here. And then the next center is where my little dots are right here. And oddly, I'm like really almost there. Being really super picky, I could pull it down just a tiny bit for my very first one. And I'm right there. And when I set this up ahead of time, it was a 2-inch measurement, and yep, I'm right there. So in telling you this, now every one I do after this, so when I'm gonna do my next one and my next one, and I didn't cut these. Let me just unsnap this. They sew them together. So when I go to hoop my second, my third, my fourth one, I don't have to do all that again. So when I go to hoop my next one and my next one, I just cut a little template here so I don't have to measure the next time. So the next time I go to hoop a beanie, the only thing I have to line up is this line right here. So I can just go faster and faster each time. So I'll put my little template so I know that's how deep I have to go in the hoop. And my tab is up here. So my warning sign is going to go towards me, and I will hoop. My lock is on, so I need to pull that forward, and I will pull my beanie out. And I should have pulled this out before I put my hoop down. So that was user error. So let me do it again. So, sorry, to unhoop, how I unhoop every time, fingers here, thumb there, press, and I'm gonna twist with my hands here. Let's do it one more time. So we're gonna put the bottom hoop down, and if you don't want that to lock, so there's a locking position that's this way, and an unlocking position that is the other way. So see how it'll come, the hoop will come up when it's in the unlock, and then if you slide it the other way, it's in the lock. So I'm gonna put it in, for beanies, I'm gonna slide it in the unlock position. So let's put the stabilizer in, and because I know that I can use my template this time and I don't have to do the measuring like I did last time, so let's just put the little template in, and we'll put the beanie in. and I only have to line up my vertical measurement. You can use a ruler, you can eyeball it, whatever you like. So I'm there, and now let's remove the template this time. My tab is this way, so my warning sign will be towards me, and the lock is unlocked. And the only thing you have to do with beanies is, because they're under here, is just pull it away, and it's nice and easy. So I'm perfectly hooped and ready to go. I just have that little, when I cut that, I didn't pull it off, so just pull that away, and I'm ready to go. And it's nice and completely hooped on the back. So, you know, depending on how worried you are about this being loose, you can put a little 501 spray down here, you can put a little pin along here, anything you'd like to, and you're ready to embroider your beanie. So it makes it super fast if you have more than one 5-inch hoop. This is an older Mighty hoop. I have several of them, so you can just line up your beanies and just hoop a whole bunch and keep them moving through your machine. So that's how quickly you can hoop beanies. If you're interested, give me a message on Messenger. The top of the banner, I think it says group buy, and hover over it, give it, it'll say message, and you can message me and you can order through me. So thanks very much, everyone. Bye now.